The capital letter D is a powerful letter. It is in the shape of a square. The square like the glowing boxes that we stare at every day. D signifies death, divorce, defeat. But with the added blowing your mind, blowing your mind, blowing your mind of television, television and computers, the glowing box, the D that signifies death, they trade us out of divorce. The media needs to trade us in their armies. Armies divorced from oil and blood. And the first man to ever walk on the moon was Mike Wallace. He did so with a cane of justice that struck against the masses of media that fought against the bitter cold of yesterday's falling. Yesterday's falling was a... Can you hear me? Do you know where this is coming from? This is coming from your mind. This is coming... oh no, they're coming for me. The darkness surrounds you, but you cannot give in to defeat, because where's the science behind that? Where's the science behind magnetic balls? Magnetic balls have no kind of pulsating parable like in the parabola, like in the Bible. The Bible says 666 is the number of the demon, the dark one, known as Dostoshko. Descartes. Descartes was a man who decided through decisions and deflaming the flower. The flower blooms with 1,000 golden graces. My mind has fallen suspect to the will of the prophets. The prophets guide me, but I cannot profit from them. Only time will tell.